welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name's Krystal. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this eyeshadow look. I have been seeing everywhere that lilac and lavender are really super in for this spring. So as soon as I heard that, I was like, I have to do an eyeshadow look on that color because it is so pretty. If you have brown eyes, it will really bring out the green tones. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I've already primed my eyes using my Milani eyeshadow primer. First color I'm going to take is this one here. It's called Limit. It's from the Naked 3. Just going to be putting it on my Sigma E40 blending brush, putting it right in the crease. Okay, and then I'm just going to deepen the crease a little bit with Nooner from that same palette using my E35. Focusing it lower in the crease and more towards the outer corner. Just a little bit darker of a color, just to get some depth and definition in there. The reason I'm using these two shades as my transition colors is since I'm doing a purple toned eye look, I don't want to use anything too brown in the crease because even though I want to warm things up a little bit, I don't want it to get muddy. And I did a purple eyeshadow look a few days ago and I used a tone that was a little bit too warm in color and it just caused the whole look to kind of, all the colors started to blend together, and even though you want your eye look to be really blended, if the colors blend together too much, you lose the tone of the shade that you're going for. So I was going for a really light purplish look and my eyes just ended up looking like I did a brown smoky eye. So I was like, no, I hate that. So I am using some more cool rosy toned shades in the crease to hopefully try and prevent that. Once I've got that in my crease a little bit, I'm gonna take that first brush and just fan it out a little bit. Okay, so since our look is pretty rosy toned so far, I'm going to take a purplish shade from the Element of Surprise palette from ColourPop. It's gonna be this one right here. Put that on my E35. Make sure I really tap it off because I don't want it getting too out of hand. Really want it to blend into all that crease work we just did. I just want to start getting this looking more purpley as we go along as opposed to rosy mauve. Okay, the color we're going to be using for our lid is out of that same palette and is going to be this color here. And as I do almost always, I'm going to use my finger to put that on my lid. All right, then I'm gonna go in with this corner shade, put that right in the center. Go back in with that brush and kind of blend right on the border just because that shade had a little bit of glitter in it and it kind of got up into my crease. So we'll try to blend that away at least a little bit. Then I'm just gonna go in with that color again and cover up anything on the outer corner that we may have covered with that lid color. Then I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. I'm gonna take some Foxy from the Naked Basics. And then I'm gonna use the highlighter I use on my face. It's just the Essence Pure Nude highlighter. Okay, and then for my bottom lash line, I'm gonna go in with that shade here and only take it to about the halfway point. And then I'm gonna go in with that first crease color, the Limit, and just blend on the bottom lash line. Then I'm gonna take a small brush and put some of that lid color down on the bottom towards the inner corner. Being careful not to get too crazy because it does have a lot of glitter in it. And then I'm gonna use the highlighter that I used on my face to highlight the very inner portion of my inner corner. Okay, and then I'm just going to put my eyeliner on with a small wing. Okay, so this is the finished look. I think it looks really super cute and pretty. I think it's perfect for spring. As always, thank you so much to anyone who takes time to watch my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking and commenting, and I will see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye!